The main problem is that if you travel into the past, you could change the course of history, creating a paradox. For example, if you went back in time and prevented your parents from meeting, you would never have been born, so you couldn't have gone back in time in the first place. Black holes. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They are formed when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its event horizon, the boundary beyond which no information or matter can escape. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, time near a black hole is distorted by its immense gravitational pull. Time appears to slow down as you approach a black hole, and it comes to a standstill at the event horizon. This means that if you were to observe a clock falling into a black hole, it would appear to slow down and eventually stop at the event horizon. Cosmic inflation. Cosmic inflation is a theory that suggests that the universe underwent a period of exponential expansion shortly after the Big Bang. This rapid expansion would have occurred within a fraction of a second and would have caused the universe to grow from a subatomic size to a size larger than the observable universe today. The theory of cosmic inflation helps to explain some of the mysteries of the universe, such as the uniformity of the cosmic. Microwave background radiation and the large-scale structure of the universe. However, there is still much debate among scientists about the validity of the theory, and further research is needed to confirm its predictions. Entropy. Entropy is a measure of the disorder or randomness of a system. According to the laws of thermodynamics, the entropy of a closed system will always increase over time. This means that the universe as a whole is moving towards a state of maximum entropy or disorder. The concept of entropy has implications for our understanding of time. In a system with low entropy, events are ordered and predictable, and time appears to flow in a specific direction. However, in a system with high entropy, events are random and chaotic, and time appears to lose its directionality. Dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter and dark energy are two of the most mysterious substances in the universe. They cannot be observed directly but are thought to make up the majority of the mass energy content of the universe. Dark matter is believed to exist because of its gravitational effects on visible matter, such as stars and galaxies. Scientists estimate that dark matter makes up about 85% of the total mass of the universe, but its nature is still unknown. Dark energy, on the other hand, is believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. It is a repulsive force that acts in opposition to gravity and is thought to make up about 68% of the total energy of the universe. The existence of dark matter and dark energy has important implications for our understanding of the universe and the laws of physics. Their discovery has led to new theories and models that attempt to explain their nature and the way they interact with the visible matter in the universe. Multiverse. The concept of a multiverse suggests that our universe is just one of many possible universes that exist in a vast, cosmic landscape. These other universes may have different laws of physics, different physical constants, and even different dimensions of space and time. The idea of a multiverse has arisen from several theories, including string theory and inflationary cosmology.
Science fiction, the evolution of science fiction and its impact on the image of aliens. Science fiction has always captivated our imaginations, taking us on thrilling journeys through alternate universes and far-off galaxies. But it's more than just a form of entertainment, it's a genre that has had a profound impact on our society and culture. In particular, the development of science fiction has greatly influenced our perception of extraterrestrial life and what it could potentially look like. Science fiction, or sci-fi, has its roots in the early 20th century with the publication of H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds and Jules Verne's Journey to the Center of the Earth. These novels sparked the imagination of readers by introducing the concept of alien life and other worlds beyond our own. As the genre evolved, it continued to explore the idea of extraterrestrial life and what it might be like. One of the most influential works of science fiction was the 1961 novel Stranger in a Strange Land by Robert A. Heinlein. This book introduced the concept of a human being raised by Martians, which led to the portrayal of aliens as more human-like in appearance and behavior. Other works of sci-fi, such as the Star Trek franchise and the Star Wars series, continue to portray aliens in this manner, giving them distinct physical features and personalities that were relatable to human audiences. The impact of science fiction on our perception of extraterrestrial life is evident in popular culture. Movies like E.T. The Extraterrestrial and Close Encounters of the Third Kind portrayed aliens as friendly and curious creatures, while films like Alien and Predator depicted them as aggressive and dangerous. This has influenced how we view the potential existence of alien life, as either benign or threatening. Furthermore, science fiction has influenced the scientific community as well. The search for extraterrestrial life is an active area of research in fields such as astrobiology and SETI, search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Scientists are not only searching for microbial life on other planets, but also considering the possibility of more complex life forms that resemble those depicted in science fiction. However, it's important to note that science fiction is just that, fiction. The portrayal of extraterrestrial life in popular culture may not necessarily reflect what it would actually be like. As we continue to explore the cosmos and search for signs of life beyond our planet, we must keep an open mind and be prepared for the unexpected. Science fiction has been a genre that has captivated audiences for generations. It has the power to transport us to distant planets and galaxies, introduce us to otherworldly creatures, and explore ideas that are beyond our current understanding. However, science fiction is more than just a form of entertainment, it has had a significant impact on our culture, society, and even the scientific community. The genre of science fiction has its roots in the early 20th century with authors like H.G. Wells and Jules Verne publishing works like The War of the Worlds and Journey to the Center of the Earth. These works introduce the concept of extraterrestrial life and other worlds beyond our own, sparking the imagination of readers and setting the stage for the genre to evolve. As science fiction continued to evolve, it delved deeper into the concept of extraterrestrial life and what it could potentially look like. One of the most influential works of science fiction was the 1961 novel Stranger in a Strange Land by Robert A. Heinlein. This book introduced the concept of a human being raised by Martians, which led to the portrayal of aliens as more human-like in appearance and behavior. Other works of sci fi, such as the Star Trek franchise and the Star Wars series, continue to portray aliens in this manner, giving them distinct physical features and personalities that were relatable to human audiences. The impact of science fiction on our perception of extraterrestrial life is evident in popular culture. Movies like E.T. The extraterrestrial and Close Encounters of the Third Kind portrayed aliens as friendly and curious creatures, while films like Alien and Predator depicted them as aggressive and dangerous. This has influenced how we view the potential existence of alien life, as either benign or threatening. Furthermore, science fiction has had a significant impact on the scientific community. The search for extraterrestrial life is an active area of research in fields such as astrobiology and SETI, search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Scientists are not only searching for microbial life on other planets but also considering the possibility of more complex life forms that resemble those depicted in science fiction. Science fiction has been a popular genre of literature and entertainment for over a century, and it continues to captivate audiences today. Its themes often include explorations of the unknown, the possibilities of the future, and the mysteries of the universe. One of the most intriguing themes in science fiction is the concept of extraterrestrial life. Throughout the years, science fiction has had a significant impact on the way we think about life beyond our planet. The early 20th century saw the publication of groundbreaking works of science fiction like H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds and Jules Verne's Journey to the Center of the Earth, which introduced the concept of extraterrestrial life and other worlds beyond our own. As science fiction evolved, it continued to explore the idea of extraterrestrial life and what it might be like. One of the most influential works of science fiction was the 1961 novel Stranger in a Strange Land by Robert A. Heinlein. This book introduced the concept of a human being raised by Martians, which led to the portrayal of aliens as more human-like in appearance and behavior. Other works of sci-fi, such as the Star Trek franchise and the Star Wars series, continue to portray aliens in this manner, giving them distinct physical features and personalities that were relatable to human audiences. The impact of science fiction on our perception of extraterrestrial life is evident in popular culture. Movies like E.T. The extraterrestrial and Close Encounters of the Third Kind portrayed aliens as friendly and curious creatures, while films like Alien and Predator depicted them as aggressive and dangerous. This has influenced how we view the potential existence of alien life, as either benign or threatening. Furthermore, science fiction has influenced the scientific community as well. The search for extraterrestrial life is an active area of research in fields such as astrobiology and SETI, search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Scientists are not only searching for microbial life on other planets, but also considering the possibility of more complex life forms that resemble those depicted in science fiction. However, it's important to remember that science fiction is just that, fiction. The portrayal of extraterrestrial life in popular culture may not necessarily reflect what it would actually be like. Mars, also known as the Red Planet, has been a subject of fascination for scientists and the general public for many years. In this article, we will provide an overview of Mars, including its differences from Earth, the search for life on the planet, and the various exploration missions to Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often referred to as the red planet because of its reddish appearance. Unlike Earth, Mars has a thin atmosphere, low atmospheric pressure, and a harsh climate. The planet has extreme temperature fluctuations, and the surface is covered in dust and rocks. Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris. Despite the harsh conditions, scientists have been searching for signs of life on Mars for decades. The search for life on Mars has been driven by the possibility that Mars may have once had a habitable environment. Evidence suggests that Mars may have had liquid water on its surface in the past, and where there is water, there may be life. The search for life on Mars has been conducted through various missions to the planet. The first successful mission to Mars was NASA's Mariner 4 in 1965, which provided the first close-up images of the planet's surface. Since then, there have been numerous missions to Mars by various space agencies, including NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Russian Space Agency. One of the most significant missions to Mars was the Mars Exploration Rover mission, which sent two rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, to the planet in 2004. The rovers were tasked with exploring the surface of Mars and searching for evidence of past water activity. The mission was a success and provided valuable data on the planet's geology and history. Another important mission to Mars is the Mars Science Laboratory mission, which sent the Curiosity rover to the planet in 2012. The Curiosity rover is equipped with advanced scientific instruments, including a laser that can vaporize rocks and analyze their chemical composition. The mission has provided valuable data on the planet's geology, atmosphere, and potential habitability. In addition to rover missions, there have also been orbiters sent to Mars to study the planet from above. These missions have provided detailed maps of the planet's surface and allowed scientists to study the planet's atmosphere and weather patterns. In conclusion, Mars is a fascinating planet that has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. Despite its harsh climate and thin atmosphere, the search for life on the planet continues, and numerous missions have been sent to Mars to study its geology, atmosphere, and potential habitability. With the continuing advancements in technology, we can expect even more exciting discoveries in the future. Mars, also known as the Red Planet, is a subject of interest to scientists because of its similarities and differences to Earth. In this article, we will explore the similarities and differences between Mars and Earth, as well as the various efforts made to explore Mars. One of the main similarities between Mars and Earth is that they are both terrestrial planets, meaning they are rocky planets with solid surfaces. However, there are also many differences between the two planets. For example, Mars is much smaller than Earth, with a diameter of just over half of Earth's. Mars also has a much thinner atmosphere than Earth, which means it has a weaker greenhouse effect and is much colder than Earth. Despite these differences, scientists have long been interested in exploring Mars to learn more about its potential habitability and to search for signs of past or present life. One of the key factors that make Mars a potential target for finding life is the possibility that it may have had liquid water on its surface in the past. Evidence suggests that Mars may have had a much more clement climate in the past, with flowing water and even oceans. The search for life on Mars has been conducted through a series of missions to the planet. One of the earliest missions was NASA's Viking program, which sent 2 landers to the planet in the 1970s to study the soil and atmosphere. More recently, NASA has sent a number of rovers to the planet to explore its surface in more detail. One of the most successful of these missions was the Mars Science Laboratory mission, which sent the Curiosity rover to the planet in 2012. The rover has been exploring the planet ever since, analyzing rocks and soil samples to look for signs of habitability. Other missions to Mars have included orbiters, which have been used to study the planet's atmosphere and weather patterns. These orbiters have also been used to map the planet's surface in detail, which has helped scientists to better understand the planet's geology and history. In conclusion, Mars is both similar and different to Earth in many ways, and scientists are fascinated by the planet's potential habitability and the possibility of finding signs of life. Through a series of missions, including rovers and orbiters, scientists have been exploring the planet in more detail than ever before, and there is still much to learn about this fascinating planet. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting discoveries in the future. Mars has been the subject of many scientific studies because it is believed to hold valuable information about the history of our solar system. In this article, we will explore some of the unique features of Mars, such as its geological features and potential for human exploration. One of the most notable features of Mars is its volcanoes. The planet is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which stands at over 13 miles, 21 kilometers, high. Mars is also home to other large volcanoes, such as Arsia Mons, Pavonis Mons, and Ascraeus Mons. These volcanoes are believed to have been active in the past, although they are currently dormant. Mars also has a unique geological feature in the form of its canyons. The planet is home to the largest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris, which is over 4,000 kilometers long and up to 7 kilometers deep. The canyon is believed to have been formed by a combination of tectonic activity and erosion caused by water. In addition to its geological features, Mars has also been identified as a potential target for human exploration. The planet's proximity to Earth and its similarities to our planet make it an attractive destination for scientists and space agencies. In recent years, there have been several proposals for manned missions to Mars, with the ultimate goal of establishing a human settlement on the planet. One of the biggest challenges facing human exploration of Mars is the planet's harsh environment. The thin atmosphere and extreme temperature fluctuations present significant challenges for any human settlement. However, there have been several proposals for how these challenges could be overcome, such as using underground habitats to protect against radiation and temperature fluctuations. In conclusion, Mars is a fascinating planet with many unique features that make it an attractive target for scientific study and exploration. Its volcanoes and canyons provide valuable insights into the planet's geological history, while the potential for human exploration offers exciting possibilities for the future. While there are many challenges to be overcome before humans can establish a permanent presence on the planet, unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, have been a topic of fascination and controversy for decades. UFOs are objects or phenomena that are observed in the sky and cannot be identified through normal means. Some people believe that UFOs are evidence of extraterrestrial life and that they represent a potential threat to our planet. Over the years, there have been numerous reports of UFO sightings from around the world. Many of these sightings have been dismissed as hoaxes or misidentifications of natural phenomena such as weather balloons or aircraft. However, there are also many credible reports of sightings that have yet to be explained. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in UFOs, spurred in part by the release of previously classified government documents related to UFO sightings. In 2020, the U.S. Department of Defense released 3 videos showing encounters between Navy pilots and unidentified aerial phenomena. While the videos do not provide conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life, they have sparked renewed interest in the topic and raised questions about the government's knowledge of and involvement in UFO research. The study of UFOs is a controversial topic, with some people dismissing it as pseudoscience and others calling for further investigation into the phenomena. Some scientists argue that many UFO sightings can be explained through natural phenomena, such as meteors or atmospheric anomalies. However, others argue that there are credible reports of sightings that cannot be easily explained and that more research is needed to understand the nature and origin of these phenomena. The study of UFOs also has practical applications for space exploration and defense. For example, studying the behavior and capabilities of potential extraterrestrial spacecraft could help us to better understand the potential threats and opportunities that may arise from contact with intelligent life from other planets. In conclusion, the study of unidentified flying objects is a complex and controversial topic that has fascinated and intrigued people for decades. While some dismiss it as pseudoscience, others argue that there are credible reports of sightings that cannot be easily explained. As we continue to study and explore this field, we will undoubtedly gain a better understanding of the nature and origin of these phenomena, as well as their potential implications for our planet and our place in the universe. In recent years, there have been several investigations into the phenomenon of UFOs, including the establishment of a government task force in the U.S. to study unidentified aerial phenomena. The task force has released several reports, which have revealed some interesting findings. For example, the reports indicate that there have been several instances where unidentified aerial phenomena have exhibited advanced flight capabilities that are beyond the current capabilities of human technology. The reports have also highlighted the need for more scientific study and investigation into the phenomenon of UFOs. Scientists argue that more data and research is needed to understand the nature and origin of these phenomena. This includes using advanced technologies such as radar and high-resolution cameras to capture detailed images and data on the behavior of UFOs. The study of UFOs also raises important questions about the nature of intelligence and the potential for life beyond our planet. Some scientists argue that the existence of intelligent life elsewhere in the universe is statistically likely, given the vast number of planets in our galaxy and beyond. The study of UFOs provides a potential avenue for investigating this possibility and could ultimately lead to the discovery of extraterrestrial life. In addition, the study of UFOs has important implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The discovery of intelligent life beyond our planet would fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the cosmos and our relationship to other forms of life. However, the study of UFOs also raises important ethical and societal questions. For example, how would the discovery of extraterrestrial life impact our political and social structures? What are the potential risks and benefits of making contact with an extraterrestrial civilization? In conclusion, the study of unidentified flying objects is a complex and multifaceted topic that has important implications for our understanding of the universe and the potential for life beyond our planet. While there is still much we do not understand about these phenomena, recent investigations and scientific studies have shed light on the topic and highlighted the need for further research. As we continue to explore and investigate this fascinating topic, we may gain new insights into the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. The study of UFOs has also been the subject of numerous conspiracy theories and speculation. Some people believe that governments and other organizations have been covering up evidence of extraterrestrial life and UFO sightings for decades. However, there is little credible evidence to support these claims, and most mainstream scientists and researchers are skeptical of such theories. One of the challenges of studying UFOs is the difficulty in obtaining credible data and evidence. Many reported sightings lack sufficient evidence to be verified or explained, and there is a risk of misinterpretation or misidentification of natural phenomena. As a result, some scientists and researchers have been hesitant to engage with the topic, viewing it as unscientific or unreliable. Despite these challenges, there has been a growing recognition of the importance of studying UFOs and the potential implications of their existence. In addition to the scientific and societal implications, the study of UFOs also has important cultural and artistic significance. The idea of extraterrestrial life and the potential for contact with other civilizations has been a subject of fascination in popular culture for decades, inspiring countless books, movies, and TV shows. In recent years, there have been efforts to increase the scientific rigor and credibility of UFO research. These efforts have included the establishment of research organizations such as the Center for the Study of Extraterrestrial Intelligence, CHADI, and the Mutual UFO Network, MUFON. These organizations aim to collect and analyze credible data on UFO sightings and to promote scientific investigation into the phenomenon. In conclusion, the study of UFOs remains a controversial and challenging topic, with many unanswered questions and much skepticism from the scientific community. However, recent investigations and scientific studies have highlighted the need for more research and data on these phenomena. As we continue to explore and investigate this fascinating topic, we may gain new insights into the mysteries of the universe and the potential for life beyond our planet. The study of UFOs also raises important questions about the nature of perception and the limits of human understanding. The human mind is inherently limited in its ability to process and interpret sensory information, and there may be phenomena that are beyond our current understanding or ability to perceive. For example, some scientists have proposed that UFO sightings may be related to the phenomenon of ball lightning, which is a rare and poorly understood atmospheric electrical phenomenon. While ball lightning has been observed and studied, it is still not well understood, and there may be other similar phenomena that have yet to be identified or studied. The study of UFOs also has important implications for our understanding of the history of life on Earth.
The exploration of the universe is a vast and multidisciplinary field that encompasses a wide range of scientific and technical disciplines. From physics and chemistry to biology and computer science, a variety of fields play important roles in our understanding of the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life. One of the most fundamental fields related to space exploration is physics. Physics provides the fundamental understanding of the laws of nature that govern the behavior of the universe. It plays a crucial role in our understanding of topics such as gravity, electromagnetism, and the structure and behavior of matter and energy. Chemistry also plays an important role in space exploration, particularly in the search for life beyond our planet. By studying the chemical composition of celestial bodies and analyzing the chemical signatures of their atmospheres, scientists can gain insights into the potential for life to exist in those environments. Biology is another field that has important implications for space exploration. By studying the adaptations of life on Earth to extreme environments, scientists can gain insights into the potential for life to exist in other parts of the universe. This includes studying extremophiles, organisms that can survive in environments such as extreme heat, cold, or radiation. In addition, engineering and technology are crucial components of space exploration. Advances in materials science, propulsion systems, and robotics have enabled humans to explore the Moon, Mars, and other parts of the solar system. New technologies, such as 3D printing and artificial intelligence, have the potential to revolutionize space exploration in the coming years. Finally, computer science and data analysis play a critical role in space exploration. By analyzing data from telescopes, spacecraft, and other instruments, scientists can gain insights into the nature and behavior of the universe. This includes using machine learning and other techniques to analyze large data sets and identify patterns and anomalies. In conclusion, the exploration of the universe is a complex and multidisciplinary field that draws on a wide range of scientific and technical disciplines. From physics and chemistry to biology and computer science, each field plays an important role in our understanding of the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life. As we continue to explore and investigate the mysteries of the cosmos, we will undoubtedly make new discoveries and gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders and mysteries of the universe. The intersection of these fields also highlights the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration in space exploration. Many of the most significant discoveries in space exploration have been the result of collaboration between scientists and engineers from different fields, each bringing their unique expertise and perspective to the table. For example, the Mars rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, were able to explore the surface of Mars and conduct scientific experiments thanks to a collaboration between engineers and scientists from a wide range of fields. The project involved experts in mechanical engineering, materials science, computer science, and geology, among others. Similarly, the search for extraterrestrial life requires collaboration between scientists and researchers from diverse fields. Biologists, chemists, physicists, and computer scientists all have important roles to play in the search for life beyond our planet. The importance of interdisciplinary collaboration is also reflected in the training and education of future space scientists and engineers. Many universities and research institutions now offer interdisciplinary programs that combine coursework and research opportunities from a variety of fields. These programs aim to equip students with the diverse skill sets and perspectives needed to tackle the complex challenges of space exploration. In addition to interdisciplinary collaboration, the field of space exploration also highlights the importance of international cooperation. Many of the most significant space missions, such as the International Space Station and the Hubble Space Telescope, have been the result of international collaboration between multiple countries. International cooperation in space exploration is important not only for the advancement of science and technology but also for promoting diplomacy and peaceful cooperation among nations. As the challenges and opportunities of space exploration continue to grow, international cooperation will likely play an increasingly important role in achieving our shared goals. In conclusion, the exploration of the universe is a complex and multidisciplinary field that requires collaboration and cooperation across a wide range of scientific and technical disciplines. From physics and chemistry to biology and computer science, each field has an important role to play in our understanding of the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life. As we continue to explore and investigate the mysteries of the cosmos, we must continue to foster interdisciplinary collaboration and international cooperation to achieve our shared goals. Another important aspect of space exploration is the ethical considerations that arise from our activities beyond Earth. As we venture further into the cosmos, we must consider the potential impact of our actions on the environments and ecosystems we encounter. One area of ethical concern is the potential contamination of other celestial bodies by human or robotic missions. The introduction of Earth-based organisms or materials could have unintended and potentially harmful consequences for any existing life on those bodies. Scientists and engineers must carefully consider these risks and take appropriate measures to prevent contamination. Another ethical consideration is the potential impact of space exploration on Earth and its inhabitants. The resources and funding allocated to space exploration must be balanced against other pressing societal needs, such as healthcare, education, and poverty alleviation. There is also a growing concern about the potential militarization of space and the development of space-based weapons. Such activities could have destabilizing effects on global security and potentially trigger an arms race in space. Finally, there are ethical considerations related to the potential discovery of extraterrestrial life. If we do discover life beyond Earth, we must approach the topic with sensitivity and caution, taking into account the potential cultural, social, and psychological impacts of such a discovery. We must also consider the ethical implications of any attempts to communicate with or visit extraterrestrial civilizations. In conclusion, space exploration raises a number of ethical considerations that must be carefully considered as we venture further into the cosmos. From the potential contamination of other celestial bodies to the impact of space exploration on Earth, we must consider the ethical implications of our activities in space. As we continue to explore and investigate the mysteries of the universe, we must do so with an eye toward ethical considerations and responsible stewardship of our planet and the cosmos. In addition to ethical considerations, space exploration also has important social and economic implications. The pursuit of space exploration has historically been driven by national pride, geopolitical competition, and scientific curiosity. However, it also has significant economic benefits and potential for technological innovation. One economic benefit of space exploration is the creation of jobs and the stimulation of economic growth. The development of new technologies and the expansion of the space industry can create high-paying jobs and drive economic growth in surrounding communities. Another economic benefit of space exploration is the development of new markets and industries. The space industry has already given rise to a range of spin-off technologies, including GPS, advanced materials, and medical technologies.
Training and research programs related to space exploration, such as the space sciences or cosmological engineering. Exploring the universe, programs and research in space and aerospace sciences. The study of space and aerospace sciences has been a topic of great interest for centuries. The desire to explore and understand our universe, beyond the boundaries of our own planet, has driven scientific inquiry in this field. As technology advances, so too does our ability to explore and learn about the mysteries of the cosmos. In this article, we will explore the programs and research in space and aerospace sciences. Space science programs. One of the most exciting areas of study in space science is astronomy. The study of celestial objects, such as stars, planets, and galaxies, has led to groundbreaking discoveries in the field. There are several programs around the world dedicated to the study of astronomy and space science. For example, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, in the United States has numerous missions dedicated to exploring the universe, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the Mars Exploration Program. Other space science programs include the European Space Agency, ESA, which conducts research and develops technologies related to space exploration and Earth observation, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, which focuses on both space and aviation research. These programs collaborate on projects and share data to further advance our understanding of the universe. Aerospace science programs. Aerospace science is another area of study that is closely related to space exploration. It involves the study of flight, as well as the development of technologies and materials used in aerospace engineering. There are several aerospace science programs around the world, including the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, in the United States, which has a renowned aerospace engineering department. Other aerospace science programs include the Cranfield University in the United Kingdom, which offers a variety of aerospace-related courses, and the University of Tokyo in Japan, which has a strong focus on research and development in aerospace engineering. These programs work on the design and development of spacecraft and other aerospace vehicles, as well as developing new materials and technologies to improve the safety and efficiency of flight. Space and aerospace research. In addition to the various programs, there are numerous research projects underway related to space and aerospace sciences. For example, the James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, is a joint project between NASA, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency. The telescope is expected to provide new insights into the formation of galaxies, the evolution of stars, and the search for planets outside of our solar system. Another area of research in space science is astrobiology, which involves the study of the origins and evolution of life in the universe. This field has led to exciting discoveries, such as the identification of potential habitable planets outside of our solar system. The search for extraterrestrial life is a major focus of astrobiology research, and several space missions have been dedicated to exploring this possibility. Aerospace research also encompasses a wide range of topics, including the development of new materials and technologies to improve the safety and efficiency of flight. For example, the development of advanced materials, such as carbon fiber composites, has led to lighter and stronger aircraft. Other areas of research in aerospace science include the study of fluid dynamics, propulsion systems, and aviation safety. Conclusion: the study of space and aerospace sciences has led to many groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements. Programs and research in these fields continue to expand our knowledge and understanding of the universe, as well as providing new opportunities for space exploration and aerospace engineering. From the search for habitable planets to the development of new aircraft materials, the possibilities in these fields are endless. As we continue to explore and learn more about our universe, the future of space and aerospace science looks brighter than ever before. Space and aerospace education. In addition to programs and research, there are also numerous educational opportunities available for those interested in space and aerospace sciences. Many universities offer degrees in astronomy, astrophysics, aerospace engineering, and related fields. For example, the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, in the United States is well known for its astrophysics and aerospace engineering programs. There are also numerous online courses and programs available for those who want to learn more about space and aerospace sciences. For example, NASA offers online courses in a variety of subjects related to space exploration, including astrophysics, planetary science, and engineering. These courses are free and open to anyone who is interested in learning more about these topics. In addition, there are several organizations dedicated to promoting space and aerospace education, such as the Space Foundation and the Aerospace Industries Association. These organizations offer resources and support for educators and students, including curriculum development, teacher training, and scholarships. Space and aerospace industry. The space and aerospace industry is a significant contributor to many economies around the world. In addition to government agencies such as NASA, there are numerous private companies involved in space exploration and aerospace engineering. These companies are involved in a variety of activities, from developing spacecraft and satellites to designing and manufacturing aircraft and other aerospace vehicles. Some of the largest companies in the space and aerospace industry include Boeing, Lockheed Martin, SpaceX, and Blue Origin. These companies are involved in a wide range of projects, from launching satellites and cargo missions to the International Space Station, to developing reusable rockets and exploring the possibilities of space tourism. Conclusion. In conclusion, space and aerospace sciences are a fascinating and dynamic field with many exciting opportunities for research, education, and exploration. From the study of celestial objects to the design and development of spacecraft and other aerospace vehicles, these fields offer endless possibilities for discovery and innovation. The future of space and aerospace sciences looks bright, as technology continues to advance and our understanding of the universe expands. Whether you are interested in pursuing a career in space and aerospace sciences or simply want to learn more about these fascinating topics, there are numerous programs, research opportunities, and educational resources available to help you get started. Space and aerospace challenges? Despite the many exciting opportunities in space and aerospace sciences, these fields also face significant challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the high cost of space exploration and aerospace engineering. Developing and launching spacecraft, as well as conducting research and development in these fields, can be extremely expensive. Another challenge is the safety and reliability of space and aerospace vehicles. The risks associated with spaceflight, including the potential for equipment failure or accidents, require rigorous safety standards and testing. The safety and reliability of spacecraft and other aerospace vehicles is essential to ensure the safety of astronauts and other personnel involved in space exploration. Additionally, space exploration and aerospace engineering also have environmental impacts that need to be addressed. For example, the launch of spacecraft and rockets can release large amounts of pollutants into the atmosphere. The disposal of space debris is also a concern, as space debris can pose a risk to spacecraft and other objects in orbit.
Formation of celestial bodies, how celestial bodies in the universe were formed and their characteristics. The formation of celestial objects, how celestial objects in the universe are formed and their characteristics. Celestial objects, such as planets, stars, and galaxies, are formed through complex processes that take place over millions or billions of years. In this article, we will explore the formation of celestial objects and their characteristics. Formation of planets. Planets are formed through a process known as accretion. This process begins with the accumulation of dust and gas in a rotating disk around a young star. As the dust and gas particles collide, they stick together and form larger and larger objects. Over time, these objects grow into planetesimals, which are small, rocky bodies that can range in size from a few meters to several kilometers. As planetesimals collide and merge, they form protoplanets, which are larger bodies with enough mass to create their own gravity. Over time, protoplanets continue to accumulate more material and eventually become full-fledged planets. Formation of stars. Stars are formed from clouds of gas and dust known as nebulae. The gas and dust in these clouds begin to contract under the influence of gravity, creating a dense, hot core. As the core becomes denser and hotter, nuclear fusion reactions are triggered, releasing energy and creating light. Once a star is formed, it enters a stable phase in which it remains in a state of equilibrium between the inward pull of gravity and the outward pressure of the energy produced by nuclear fusion. This stable phase can last for billions of years, depending on the mass of the star. Formation of galaxies. Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, and dust that are bound together by gravity. The formation of galaxies is still not fully understood, but it is believed to be the result of the gravitational attraction between dark matter, which is an invisible and mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe, and ordinary matter, such as gas and dust. As gravity pulls the gas and dust together, they begin to form stars, which eventually form into clusters and spiral arms. Over time, galaxies continue to evolve and change as new stars are born and old stars die. Conclusion. In conclusion, celestial objects are formed through complex processes that take place over millions or billions of years. Planets are formed through accretion, stars are formed from clouds of gas and dust, and galaxies are formed through the gravitational attraction of dark matter and ordinary matter. Understanding the formation and characteristics of celestial objects is essential to our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we continue to explore and learn more about these objects, we will gain valuable insights into the origins of our solar system. The evolution of stars and galaxies, and the mysteries of the universe. The role of gravity in celestial object formation. Gravity plays a critical role in the formation of celestial objects. Gravity is the force that pulls matter together, and it is the force that governs the motion of celestial objects in space. In the formation of stars, gravity plays a crucial role in the contraction of gas and dust into a dense core. As the core becomes denser and hotter, the pressure from the energy produced by nuclear fusion counteracts the force of gravity, resulting in a stable star. Gravity also plays a critical role in the formation of planets. As dust and gas particles come together and form planetesimals, the gravitational attraction between these objects increases, leading to the formation of larger protoplanets. Ultimately, the force of gravity is strong enough to pull enough matter together to form a planet. Gravity also governs the motion of celestial objects in space. The gravitational attraction between celestial objects causes them to orbit each other. This is how planets orbit around stars, and how stars orbit within galaxies. In addition to its role in celestial object formation, gravity also plays a critical role in the evolution of these objects. For example, the force of gravity can cause stars to collapse and explode as supernovae, which can lead to the formation of new stars and planets. The gravitational interactions between galaxies can also cause them to merge, leading to the formation of larger, more massive galaxies. Conclusion. In conclusion, gravity plays a critical role in the formation and evolution of celestial objects. It is the force that governs the motion of objects in space, and it is the force that pulls matter together to form stars, planets, and galaxies. Understanding the role of gravity in celestial object formation is essential to our understanding of the universe and the processes that shape it. As we continue to explore and learn more about the universe, gravity will continue to play a crucial role in our understanding of the cosmos. The role of electromagnetism in celestial object formation. While gravity is the primary force that governs the formation and motion of celestial objects, electromagnetism also plays a critical role in the processes that shape the universe. One of the most significant roles of electromagnetism in celestial object formation is in the process of star formation. Stars form from clouds of gas and dust that are held together by gravity. However, the process of star formation is triggered by a shockwave, such as a supernova explosion or a collision between clouds of gas. This shockwave can create regions of ionized gas, which are heated by the radiation emitted by nearby stars. As the gas becomes ionized, it becomes more conductive, allowing magnetic fields to play a role in the collapse of the gas into stars. Electromagnetism also plays a critical role in the structure and behavior of the universe on a larger scale. For example, the vast clouds of gas and dust that exist between stars in galaxies are held together by magnetic fields. These fields can also influence the motion of charged particles within the clouds, leading to the formation of complex structures such as filaments and knots. Another example of the role of electromagnetism in the universe is the phenomenon of auroras. Auroras are the result of charged particles from the solar wind interacting with Earth's magnetic field. This interaction can lead to the emission of light in the polar regions of Earth, creating the stunning displays of color known as auroras. Conclusion. In conclusion, while gravity is the primary force that governs the formation and motion of celestial objects, electromagnetism also plays a critical role in shaping the universe. From the formation of stars to the structure of galaxies and the phenomenon of auroras, electromagnetic forces are a crucial aspect of the universe's behavior and evolution. As our understanding of the universe continues to deepen, the role of electromagnetism in celestial object formation and behavior will remain an important area of study and exploration. The role of nuclear fusion in celestial object formation. Nuclear fusion is another critical process that plays a significant role in the formation and evolution of celestial objects. Nuclear fusion is the process by which atomic nuclei combine to form heavier nuclei, releasing energy in the process.